Filey? You've been like this the whole time. What are you doing?
I'm doing nothing. What? Do you have a reason for me to do something else?
Gosh, why are you so... you know what? It doesn't matter. Needle's going up. She's fast.
Yeah! Come on, Four. I know you're in there. I wasn't expecting that to work.
What now?
I guess we'll squirt it out into the shape of 4.
Wait! Don't you think someone more dexterous should do it?
You're right. Since Ben showed us how great she is at making cakes, she should do it.
Thanks for saying that about my cake, but I can't. What if I mess up our only chance to get 4 back?
Aw, come on, please. I know you do a great job.
Pin! Believe in the loser in you.
You're right.
Loser, you've always helped me out during times of distress. What do you say?
Times are a-changing.
Huh?
It's a new season now. Say it with me. Daylight savings.
Daylight savings!
Oh, daylight savings is when clocks jump forward an hour.
This low-key challenge idea is getting really tough to figure out.
You'd think that coming up with an easy challenge would be easy, but no.
I'm thinking something simple, but that can go in any direction.
Well, sir, why don't you look at the ideas so far? Maybe the idea's right in front of you.
Nah. Hey, wait. What if the idea's been right in front of me all along?
I just said that.
All right, guys. I thought up a challenge that's going to be really cool and good.
And good?
I know. I've outdone even myself. This challenge is a hedge maze containing a multitude of potential paths. Each intersection will force you to make a choice. It's sure to be a maze. Boo! Hey guys, do you hear that? No knee slap. It's just not the same without Cheesy around. And I couldn't be happier.
All I hear is a terrible game show.
Four's back! I've missed you! Good to see you, X. But what is this thing?
No! Four, David was eliminated while you were gone. We can't let him get away.
You did Bambi while I was gone! Good job!
Now to get David.
Well, how else?
Wait, Four. First, you have to recover our dead friends.
Sure thing!
Okay.
A short-term memory loss condition that gets triggered when I hear the word sui-swa.
I know you worked hard, but this is a private. Gathering. Here's a little. Gift to say thanks for today.
Whoa! Isn't loser the best, Pin?
Wow, for me?
Alright, Leafy, let's go. You're a loser. You're my loser.
So, I'm not coming? Was that a compliment?